quickly open this up. Swapnil Kothari, senior lawyer, Kapil Sankla, senior advocate, Ali Kashif Khan, advocate for Munmun Dhamecha, and Avi Singh, advocate practicing in the Supreme Court. Good evening to all of you. Mr. Sankla, let me begin by asking you, what do you make of this 14-page order, sir? This is virtually the court demolishing the arguments of the NCB.
You see, that is one narrative that is being promoted by the defense, and probably rightly so. But you'll have to appreciate one thing, that this order was passed in a bail application when the entire evidence that is to be collected, which probably is with the investigating officer and has not yet been corroborated or is not good evidence yet, has not been brought before the court. This order is only for the purpose of bail and nothing beyond that. You see, you have to appreciate one thing, that during investigation, the charge sheet, which is the culmination of the entire investigation, which is the entire evidence, documentary, oral, FSL, whatever, is put together in a file which is called a charge sheet that has to be filed within 60 days or 90 days in CRPC and 180 days in the Narcotics Act. And then there is also an extension which is entitled to the investigating officer. So right now, to say that nothing has been found, you know, there's a clean chit, no. The clean chit is only for the purpose of bail. The court has said prima facie with the evidence.
No one is saying that. The reason, I understand that, Mr. Sankla, the reason I ask you that question, because if you see point by point, the NCB, and allow me to read some of this, the NCB had claimed that chats established link to foreign drug bust. The High Court has said nothing objectionable could be noticed. NCB had said that there was presence at the same place shows common intent. The High Court says not a satisfying foundation for conspiracy charge. So, Mr. Ali Kashif Khan, how do you see this?
Let me just answer this in 15 seconds. Tomorrow, if they corroborate the WhatsApp chat with an independent person who says that, yes, I was a drug supplier and I was supplying this to them. Or if they catch somebody and say this consignment was for such and such person, previously also this packet had gone.
Right.
That corroborates.
Right.
So the chain of circumstances at the time of filing of charge sheet will prove whether it's a good case or a bad case. It is too early and too premature right now to say anything.
Okay. Ali Kashif Khan?
See, in my opinion, as my learned friend has said, that it would not be right to say whether it's a good case or a bad case at this point of time. Not completely denying to it, but however, it has to be considered that the prima facie which the NCB is trying to put the kind of case ahead. If we peruse the panchnamas of the concern, all these three people, Aryan, Arbaz and Munmun, if we just go and rely by their own case, if I talk about Munmun Dhamecha's case, when the NCB themselves are saying in their panchnama that a certain kind of drug with alleged amount was seized from the floor, thereafter one other woman was having certain filter pads and rolling papers in her purse, that other woman was not arrested. That other woman till date is not made an accused. But however, Munmun Dhamecha was
right. So you're saying there are discrepancies in the case by the NCB. Okay. Avi Singh, I'm coming to you, but Mr. Kothari, you've been with us on several panels. What do you make of the order copy?
Something. The order is me a very, very satisfactory order, simply because I'll tell you from the view of several cases or several issues that have been left in the lurch. First of all, it has dealt with only two things. One is the conspiracy aspect, saying that, of course, in para 13 it says that we agree with Mr.